If you want to know about the secret of your life, especially your thought process, the law of attraction, the universe, the power of your thoughts, I suggest this book is all about Secret, which was written by RHONDA BHYRNE. Actually, this book also written by RHONDA BHYRNE. Do you want to be a bookworm but you don't have any idea about which book I have to read in order to improve my English fluency or in order to enrich my vocabulary? This video is absolutely for you guys. Hello my dear English learners, welcome back to my channel Priya's English World. So in this video I'm gonna share about my 3 years of my book collections. I started my reading journey 3 years back. I've been reading my books almost 3 years, right? I'm gonna show and share about my book collections for you. Because I receive this comment in my comment section frequently, ma'am, please suggest any books in order to be fluent in English. But to be honest, if you ask this question to me, I don't have any idea about suggesting books in order to gain your English fluency. But apart from that, I can suggest my books especially for you in order to develop your personality, lifestyle. Everything is related to your life and mindset and personality. But when it comes to the part of English improvement, I don't have that much of knowledge because I read books in order to gain knowledge. I'm not focusing on reading books in order to improve my English fluency. I think simultaneously it improved my English fluency. But my focus is all about to gain a knowledge, imbibe some knowledge from that book. So without squandering your time, let's move on to the video. Let's start with the first book, The Beauty of Purpose in Life, which was written by SHALAPARVEEN. She is my favorite author, guys. She inspired me a lot. Next, if you want to win your life, if you want to be successful, I suggest this book for you, which is all about You Can Win. This book was bought by my father when I was young, but I started reading this book when I was studying second year. But I completed the book. It was an amazing book. Now I'm going to show you a shortcut to happiness. What is the shortcut to happiness? Which is all about this book, Magic. So in this book, it describes about the 28 days challenge for you to be a gratitude person, to be grateful. So gratitude is your shortcut for your happiness. Just follow gratitude in your life. Make gratitude as your attitude. If you want to know about the secret of your life, especially your thought process, the law of attraction, the universe, the power of your thoughts, I suggest this book is all about Secret, which was written by RHONDA BHYRNE. Actually, this book also written by RHONDA BHYRNE. This was the first book I read when it comes to the part of secret collections. So if you want to live a happy life, happilist life, minimalism, if you want to follow minimalism in your life, this book is absolutely for you, which is HAPPILIST, which was written by SHALAPARVEEN, my favorite author. Next, I am going to share about the secret of love, money, relationship for you. This was the book which I read about this. And the next book is all about Hero. These are comes under secret version. And the last but not the least, when it comes to the part of secret version, which was PAR. So this book was also written by RHONDA BHYRNE. These 5 books are the secret version. Okay, I've completed these books. After that, one of my friends suggested me this book, which is all about the law of attraction, which was written by MITESH KATHRI. It was a famous and best book which I ever read in my life regarding law of attraction. I almost covered all of the version of Secret, but when I read this book, it just like eye opener for me. And next book is IKIGAI. IKIGAI is if you want to find out your purpose for your life, find out your dreams, secret for your happy and everlasting life. I suggest this book for you to read to find out your Ikigai. Ikigai is nothing but Iki is life, Gai is purpose. Purpose of your life. Everyone should have to find out your purpose of your life. Then only you will lead your life with happily. And the next book is Awaken the Leader in You. I completed this book 2 days before. It was a great book. If you want to become a good leader, if you want to incorporate the leadership qualities in your life, this is a practical best guide for you in order to become a leader. That's it all about my book collection, guys. And I bought 2 books recently, which is all related to the secret version, which is How the Secret Changed My Life. And the last book is I bought The Greatest Secret. So these are the two books I have to read. I almost completed these kind of books. These two books is remaining for me, I have to read. I don't know guys why I bought these kind of books, especially secret version, because there is something behind it, right, when it comes to the part of law of attraction. So it inspired me a lot, so that's why I really want to know about what is law of attraction, how our thought process working, because nowadays it become a great topic and familiar topic also. That's it all about my book collection. I hope that you found it useful. If you want to be a bookworm, or if you want to start a reading books, means you can pick any one of this book from my book collections. If you want to be a leader, so you must want to be a reader, good reader for that. So that's it all about this video guys. I'll come up with another beautiful video very soon. Till then, you take care. Thank you so much for your beautiful time. Bye bye. Take care.